Are you ready to dive into the world of home design? Today, we're comparing Planner 5D and Home Design 3D. Both tools help you create stunning layouts and visualize your dream spaces, but they have different features that may suit different needs. Planner 5D is a user friendly platform that allows you to design in both 2D and 3D. You can easily drag and drop furniture, change colors, and even add textures to your walls. It's great for beginners who want to experiment with interior design. On the other hand, Home Design 3D offers a more detailed approach. It also supports 2D and 3D views but focuses more on precision. This tool is perfect for users who want to create detailed floor plans and have a clear vision of their space. Now, let's look at the key differences. Planner 5D is more intuitive and simpler to use, making it ideal for quick projects. Home Design 3D, however, provides more advanced tools for serious designers. If you're looking for depth in your designs, Home Design 3D might be the better choice. When it comes to features, both tools let you visualize your designs in 3D. Planner 5D has a large library of items, while Home Design 3D offers more customization options. This means you can create unique designs that fit your style with Home Design 3D. In terms of pricing, Planner 5D has a free version, but advanced features require a subscription. Home Design 3D also offers a free version, but you need to pay for premium features. So, which one should you choose? If you are a beginner or want something quick and easy, go for Planner 5D. But if you are looking for detailed designs and advanced features, Home Design 3D is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.